Meaning of Dennis the Menace.
Dennis the Menace.
Dennis the Menace.
Dennis the Menace.
Dennis the Menace. Dennis the Menace is a popular comic strip and cartoon character known for his mischievous behavior. The phrase Dennis the Menace has since become a widely used idiom to describe a young boy who is particularly troublesome or unruly. It is commonly used by parents and teachers when referring to a child who is causing chaos or mischief. The character's name has even been adapted into several television shows and movies, further cementing its place in popular culture as a symbol of youthful mischief-making.